is Sohail. I'm from Poultry Chemicals from the UK. We are here, we launched a new product called Omnisite, which has been in the market for 10 years. Used to be sold by Cargill and Previmi. Now it's through Acertic Group. They are our new distributors in the whole of India market. It's manufactured here, and we're looking to give the complete biosecurity to all of the farms, poultry farms, dairy farms, and swine as well in India. And you know what? It's been a great show so far. I'm looking forward to more customers visiting us on the. Been in this poultry exhibition now the third time. So they're building up the momentum. They've got a bigger stand now. Next year, hopefully even bigger, with more distributors across India will be here as well. So we will hopefully get a bigger stand. But we really liked the show last year. A lot of really good leads came from this show and business as well. So.